Rarest vinyl record box sets on my collection, part 1. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Music World Music. So guys, another video. Now I will reveal my rarest vinyl record box sets on my collection. So my first box sets. Wait. Okay, first is Christina Aguilera BIONIC Fan Edition box set. By the way guys, I bought this in US way back, and this is limited edition. So this is my number 1. This album is not her best album, but for me, one of her best studio album. Her vocal on this album, wow, out of this world. And by the way, one of my favorite tracks on this album is Prima Donna and BIONIC. So this is Christina Aguilera or Xtina BIONIC Fan Edition box set. So the next one is Kylie Minogue. And I bought this when I was in Middle East in UAE. If you know the vinyl cart online in UAE, you can check guys. This box set is from Vinyl Cart. If you're in UAE, you can check that website. So way back, long time ago. One of my favorite Kylie album. But some of critics said this is Kylie's worst album. But for me this is good album. And some ballad tracks on this album is wow. Yeah. Spine, back, yeah. This box set guys includes DVDs, CDs, booklet, plus the giant poster. So I plan to put in a beautiful frame so I can display here on my music room soon. One of my favorite box set from Kylie. We'll see if I open this later. Okay, the final one is Mariah Carey, The Songbird Supreme. I bought this in Europe way back. This box set includes exclusive prints and deluxe CD, if I remember. And the white vinyl press. So I will show you what inside. One of my favorite tracks on this album is I Wanna Know What Love Is. Yeah. So this is the original promotion sticker. Yeah. Okay. I think the reissue one is same white vinyl press. LP number 2. and then the prints. Yeah. Plus the deluxe version of her CD format album. Again, limited edition. A lot of prints. So that's it. That's it, pansit. Okay. Since I have Kylie viewers here, I will show you guys her. Let's get to it. Box set vinyl. I will show you guys. Let's open. Yeah. By the way, guys, sorry for my English. I'm not good in English, so I try my best to communicate with you guys. So here we go. Oops. I think this is the LP. Yeah. LP, exclusive poster, and the booklet. I will show you first the LP, the record. It's a picture disc pressed. Yeah. She is so young in this photo. Look at her face. Beautiful. Looks like supermodel. Wow. Beautiful Kylie from down under, Australia. Princess of Pop. I hope she collaborate with the Queen of Pop, Madonna. Looking forward, guys. So the next one is wow, the eyes. Woo. This is too much big.
Wow! Amazing!
Beautiful Kylie. Wow. Yeah. Man, I need to put some effort so I can show you guys. Bend. Wow.
Kylie, let's do it.
I need a giant frame for this poster. Huge poster. Exclusive guys for this box set. If you have this box set, frame it so you can see every day of your lives how beautiful Kylie is. She is so pretty. She's like Madonna. So this is the special booklet. And the CD DVDs. I will show you quickly. Yan. Close up. A lot of photos. Young Kylie. Classy. Elegant. Gorgeous. Kylie. Australian superstar. So that's it. So expect guys more unboxing on this channel or even music reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like this video. Thank you for watching. God bless us guys. And always be kind. Kylie. MC, Mariah, and Christina. Thank you for watching guys. BIONIC.